that's my team here in Korea. I'm very happy here for teach for this guy. He's our four more association. What do you think, the court?
어떻게 생각하세요?
네, 지네스티카 내추럴 정말 좋고 코어가 정말 단단해지는 좋은 운동입니다.
He likes Gymnastica Natural very much, and he thinks his core musculature improves more with the Gymnastica Natural.
네, 참 짐네스티카 내추럴 정말 전체적인 몸의 움직임과 흐름에 대해서 다시 한번 배울 수 있었던 아주 소중한 시간이었던 것 같습니다. Great.
He likes Gymnastica Natural because the whole movement and the flow, the continuous movement makes much better. He likes that part of it.
저는 느낌이 진짜 새로운데요. 한 2000년 초반에 선생님의 그 DVD를 불법으로 다운받아서 그때 갖고 있다가 이제야 선생님을 뵀는데 기다린 짝사랑만큼 지금 부실학생 만나서 좀 그렇지만 어쨌든 그 10년 기다리기 아깝지 않습니다.
He knew about Alvaro Romano before, like 10 years before. He downloaded the program and watched it on YouTube, and he really loved it. And he waited for you for 10 years, and he met you now. He's so happy about it.
Thank you. And you, Rui?
Yeah, Ria, I'm very honored to meet you, Alvaro, and your program and your Gymnastica Natural is just one word, the best bodyweight program. I like it.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you.